Hi, my name is Daniela and welcome back to my universe. Today we will crochet this frog. It is really easy, fast and sells great at markets. Don't forget to subscribe down below to see more content like this one, and let's go to the video. I tried the pattern with light yarn and a 3.5mm hook, and with bulky yarn and a 4mm hook. We will start by doing a magic ring, wrapping the yarn around my fingers over, under and cross. Then we will go under this yarn, grab the yarn on the top, pull it around my hook, and then grab the yarn again and pull through the loop. Now we will do 6 single crochet into the magic ring. To do 1 single crochet, we will insert the hook into the ring, yarn under, pull through the ring, then yarn over and pull through both of the loops. We will repeat this 5 more times. We will start round 2 by doing an increase. To do an increase, you have to do 2 single crochet into the same stitch. I also like to place a stitch marker at the beginning of the round so that I know when I have to finish and the number of stitches that I should have per round. Now we will continue doing increases until the end of the round, and we should end up with 12 stitches. For round 3, we will do 1 single crochet, 1 increase, and we will repeat this until the end of the round. You should end up with 18 stitches. In round 4, we will do 1 single crochet, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now we will do a bubble stitch. To do a bubble stitch, we will yarn over, insert our hook into the stitch, yarn under, pull through the stitch. Now you should have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through only 2 of the loops. Now you should have 2 loops in your hook. We will repeat this again into the same stitch. Now you should have 3 loops in your hook. We will repeat it one more time. And now that you have 4 loops in your hook, we will yarn over and pull through all of the loops. To continue, we will do 6 single crochet, 1 bubble stitch and 5 single crochet. You should end up this round with 18 stitches. In round 5, we will start by doing 3 increases, then we will do 12 single crochet, and to finish we will do 3 increases. You should end up this round with 24 stitches. Before we continue, we will place our safety eyes. The first one is going to be after the bubble stitch, as you can see, and the other one is going to come before the bubble stitch. For rounds 6 and 7, we only have to single crochet a round. This means that we will do 1 single crochet per stitch. In round 8, we will do the legs of our frog. We will start by doing 5 single crochet, then a bubble stitch, 4 single crochet, 1 bubble stitch, 3 single crochet, 1 bubble stitch, 4 single crochet, 1 bubble stitch, and finally 4 single crochet. You should still have 24 stitches. For round 9, we will do 1 single crochet, and now we will do a decrease. So if you look at your stitch, you will find 2 loops. The one that is near you is the front loop. We are going to take the front loop of the first stitch and of the second, then we will yarn under, pull through both of the loops, then we will yarn over and pull through both of the loops. We will continue this round by doing the same pattern until the end, and you should end up with 16 stitches. Before we continue, we will add as much stuffing as we can. For our last round, we will do 8 decreases. This means that you should end up with 8 stitches. Now we can cut the yarn and fasten off. To close, I like to insert my needle through the front loop of each of the stitches. Once we are done, we can pull the yarn and close the circle. To finish, we will insert the needle through the middle and take it out at the other side of our plushie. To finish, we will add the mouth of our frog between the two eyes. And there you go, I hope you liked the tutorial. Remember, you can find the written pattern in my Instagram if you prefer that format. Comment what should I do next. Tag me if you try it out, I would love to see your results, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!